for cat. Sucka. D is for duck. Duck. D is for duck. Duh. E is for elephant. Elephant. E is for elephant. F is for fish. F is for fish. G is for grapes. Grapes. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for horse. Horse. H is for horse. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for juice. 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 K is for king. 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 L is for leaf. 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 M is for mango. Mango. Mango.